To configure guest access and sharing settings in Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Entra, follow these steps. Microsoft 365 Admin Center, guest access for Microsoft 365 groups. 1. Navigate to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Go to admin.microsoft.com, https:/admin.microsoft.com. Select Settings, Org Settings, Services, and then choose Microsoft 365 Groups. 2. Enable guest access for Microsoft 365 groups. Ensure the option Let Group Owners Add People Outside Your Organization to Microsoft 365 groups as guests is selected. Additional options available include restricting content guests can access, managing orphan groups by assigning active members to take ownership. Now that guest access is enabled in Microsoft 365, it's time to check and configure settings in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Microsoft Entra Admin Center configuring guest access. 1. Navigate to Microsoft Entra Admin Center.microsoft.com, entra.microsoft.com. 2. Access guest user settings. Select Users, User Settings. 3. Configure guest user access. In the Guest User Access section, choose the appropriate access level. 1. Guest users have the same access as members, most inclusive. 2. Guest users have limited access to properties and memberships of directory objects. 3. Guest user access is restricted to properties and memberships of their own directory objects, most restrictive. Important note, changing this setting updates the corresponding settings in external collaboration. After configuring guest access, you can further manage guest permissions at the team level within Microsoft Teams. By completing these configurations, you enable guest access across your Microsoft 365 environment, ensuring external users can collaborate while maintaining control over the level of access they are granted.